What if that cough isn't just a cold, but something serious spreading in your lungs? These symptoms might mean tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is a bacterial infection that mainly affects the lungs. It spreads through the air when an infected person coughs or sneezes. Symptom 1. A cough lasting more than 2 to 3 weeks. Symptom 2. Chest pain or coughing up blood. Symptom 3. Unexplained weight loss. Symptom 4. Night sweats and fever. If you notice most of these symptoms together, medical attention may be needed. Subscribe to Medicotids for more quick medical explanations. Next, we're discussing symptoms of diabetes.